This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Chrome, open the three-dot menu at top right and choose Settings. Once done, go to Privacy and Security because that groups the controls you need. Next, open Site Settings and tap Notifications. This screen lists permission defaults and sites with explicit rules. You want to focus on sites that are allowed. Make sure to keep the browser updated while you work, since settings layout can change between versions. Now that the Notifications panel is visible, move to Editing Specific Site Permissions. You'll see a list of allowed and blocked sites. Find any allowed sender you no longer want. Click the three-dot icon beside a site to reveal actions. Choose Block to stop notifications permanently, or Remove to reset permission so the site must ask again. Also, check the default behavior at top. Set it to ask before sending to prevent automatic prompts, or block to stop all new requests. Once you apply changes, test by visiting a listed site to confirm no pop-up appears. Finish by restarting Chrome, because some sites cache permissions. If notifications persist, clear site data for that domain. Make sure to check extensions. An extension can re-enable or forward notifications, so disable suspect extensions to test. Also verify your operating system's notification settings, since OS-level permissions can override browser controls. If things still fail, open an incognito window to test defaults without extensions. This isolates the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.